Hello aspirants, welcome to Syllabus Coach. Question is multiplication of real valued square matrices of same dimension is associative or commutative or always positive definite or not always possible to commute. First of all, let us see what are these properties in general. In general, associative means we all know AB into C is equal to A into BC, and commutative means AB is equal to BA. Let's leave other two options for now. Listen aspirants, in matrices we all know that associative property is always valid and commutative is not. If you want, you can cross check these two properties by taking simple 2 by 2 matrices. And coming back to the question, multiplication of any matrices is definitely not always positive, so this is wrong. And if it is never commutative, you can also say option 4 also wrong. So the right answer is associative. Listen aspirants, in competitive exams like GATE, your success completely depends on how efficiently you manage your time in the exam. You need to answer some questions directly. For that, you have to remember few formulas, facts and results related to each and every topic. And coming here related to matrices, here are the few results I'm gonna give. If you can remember these results, you can directly answer them or you can use them while solving other questions also. Let's see what are these results. These are really important. Please remember this. First one is number of square matrices of order n whose element can be either 0 or 1 is 2 power n square. For example, if you take 2 by 2 matrices, then it is 2 power 4, which is equal to 16. What does it mean? It means you can write 16 unique matrices by using either 0 or 1. And let's go to second point. Let A be the matrix of order m by n. Let B be the matrix of order n by r. Then how many number of multiplications required to find AB? It is m into n into r. And how many number of additions required to find AB? It is m into r into n minus 1. Listen aspirant, these are very important results. Please try to remember this. These are very useful. Let's take an example and we'll see. Let A be the matrix of order 2 by 3. Let B be the matrix of order 3 by 2. Then how many number of multiplications required to find AB? It is 2 into 3 into 2, which means 12 multiplications required. And number of additions required to find AB? It is 2 into 2 into 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. It is 8. Let's see some other results. It is inverse of A inverse is A itself. Inverse of identity matrix is identity matrix only. If K is a constant and A is an invertible matrix, then Ka whole inverse is equal to 1 by K into A inverse. And fourth one, AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. And next one, ABC inverse is equal to C inverse, B inverse, A inverse. Just now we read about associative and commutative. So the order should be exactly like this. And next one, A plus B inverse is not equal to A inverse plus B inverse. Listen aspirants, you need to remember all these results. They're really helpful. Please remember. And you can cross check all these results by taking simple 2 by 2 matrices also. Thank you.